Congratulations to our Team Sean for having 61 points for this championship game. And let's congratulate Mr. Deo Magalona for being our MVP for tonight. Congratulations, Deo Magalona. Paano masasabing deserve mo at ng team yon maging champion tonight?
Siguro nagpumilit na kami manalo. Yung kasi yung first half, natambakan na talaga kami. So, buti na daan sa tiyaga, nag-click yung mga teammates ko, yung outside shooting nila. Buenas lang din.
Okay, thank you for your answer and congratulations Team Sean and Mr. Deo Magalona, our MVP for MSD One Day Basketball League Season 2. Thank you to all of our players for tonight's One Day League. Hope to see you on our next Basketball League Season 3 One Day Basketball League. Thank you and good night, everyone.
MSD Productions.